Hello. Yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. The name still remains the same. I'm Kenneth Ryan, a co-founder of 100 technology company. On to this episode, I'm here for all my photo models, my photographics. Yeah, lots of people have been DMing me. Yo, Kenny, I'm into fashion, I'm into photo modeling, and I don't know how to sell my pictures or my works on the internet. So I did this video for all my photo models and all my photographics. Yeah, so today, no time to waste, I want to show you one app that can help you sell your photos on the internet. And this app accepts bank accounts in Ghana and mobile money, so you can withdraw your money through your mobile money and things. Yeah, so no time to waste, we'll jump on my phone screen and I'll show you how you can sell your pictures on the internet. And this one is not only for like photo models or photographers. You as an individual, if you're into like photos, you can also do some classic shoots that you know that people are willing to purchase in a frame or something like that, to frame it, to post it on their walls and things. Yeah, so I'll show you this site that can help you sell all your works and earn money through your mobile money. Join me on my phone screen and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. The name is already the same, 100 technology company. Out. So welcome to my phone screen. So I want to show you how you can sell your pictures on this app. I will leave the link in my description. So if you click on the link and then you register on this app, you can sell all your pictures on this app. So let me show you how you can sell these pictures. Yeah, so after creating your account on seller.com, yeah, you choose whether to receive money through mobile money or bank account. Yeah, then you choose your choice, but this one is on mobile money, so I want to show you. When you come here, you see that we have types of cities here, but I chose what Ghana cities. So I want to show you how you can sell your pictures over here. So first of all, I'll go to dashboard, then I'll add products. So select a product type. It is for digital products because it's pictures. Then you click on next. So after that, then you fill all these forms. This one, your image needs to be at least 300 by 300 pixels. So this first image, you don't have to upload, let's say, the original image. You have to upload some image written, let's say, buy all your products over here. So let me click on it. Then let me select, let's say I want this one to be on it. So after that, the name of the product, let's say forest cool shot, forest cool shoots. Then the price, how much do you want to sell the picture? Let's say 10 cedis. Let's say 10 cedis per one. Yeah, so the original, and this one should trick it out original price. You place some price on the product so that it will be attractive for people to want to buy. So let's say I'll say 10 cedis. Then you write a description, something that will catch the attention of your customers. Let's say cool, sexy forest shoots for your bedroom, Then after that, then categories. It is what content and media, and this one is what graphic design. Then digital products, product type is digital products here. If this is a pre-order product, now I want to sell it right now. So after that, then you upload the main picture, the picture you want to sell. Then you upload it. So let's say I want to say, now let me define this. Let's say I would say, that picture. Make sure that the picture is 300 by 300. This picture is not 300 by 300. It's not 300 by 300. So I click on it, then select a 300 by 300 picture. It's a 300 by 300 picture. Yeah. So you see, it's uploading. So you wait for it to upload. So after that, then you click on what? Create product. So oops, it looks like you missed something. You need to upload the product file. So now the product file is uploading. So you have to wait for the product file to upload. So now it has been uploaded. Then you create the product. So it's alright. So says congratulations, your product has been added. You can visit it. So I will click on here to visit my product. So if you want to sell the product, they will give you the link for you to sell, the link that you'll be posting, so that people will click on it and buy your pictures over there. So this is how it looks like. But the main product is there. But this how, let's say this one, you write on this one, let's say buy your beautiful product over here as the front picture, but not the main picture. The main picture is there. So when people click on buy and pay for the amount price, then the main picture will be what? Downloaded. Yeah. So when I click on buy now, they will ask you how much do you want to buy. You see, I have to put that over here. How much do you want to buy? If I want to buy both of them, that's 20 cedis. If I want to buy, let's say 4 copies, 5 or 10 copies, and I don't want to buy this one. So if I want to buy only this 10 copies, that's 100 Ghana cedis. So if a day you let's say 10 people buy your picture, you'll be getting 100 cedis. Yeah. So if you click on checkout, so you enter your mobile money over here, then they will enter the mobile money over here. If they want to buy, then they'll click on pay now. So I'm doing as if I'm buying the product. For you to see that it works. So you see this mobile money, then you choose the number you want to do the transaction, then the number, your mobile money number, let's say 0554794793. Then you click on pay. You see, so they will send you something. And if you enter the number, then you receive your money. So it's not it's you see that, yeah. So they send me the code. They send me the code. This is the code. You see the code. So if I enter the code, let's say proceed. If I enter the code, they'll deduct 100 cedis from my mobile money accounts. So after creating your product products, then they will give you a link for you to share to your social media platform. So when people buy from there, you will get your money through your mobile money accounts. So thank you for watching me. The name still remain the same. I'm Ken Vines, co-founder of Rondo Technology Company. If you don't understand anything, chat to me and let's talk. I'm out.